Welcome. The following Unity Living Breaking the Bonds affirmations, the third in this series, will assist you with using your thoughts and words optimally so you may receive the profound benefits of this particular transmission by doing so. Feel free to repeat after each sentence fragment of each affirmation, aloud or inwardly. Let's prepare the body now to enter into the state of contemplation or meditation. As you take a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes. Allow the spine to elongate from its base up to the top of your head, and follow the breath as you breathe in and out. And in and out. Feel the body loosen and relax, layer by layer, as you allow it to melt into the seat beneath you. As you continue to follow the breath in and out, and as you allow it to release more and more and more into the seat beneath you, double or even triple the level of relaxation in your body. With every in-breath and out-breath, know that your intention to contemplate the following affirmations helps keep your vibration high and your thoughts aligned with your divine purpose. And so we begin. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge and recognize the pre-verbal limiting patterns and limitations that exist in the form of cultural and linguistic programming in my subconscious mind that are presenting themselves to me, consciously and unconsciously, with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge and recognize that these restricting patterns were created by deeply ingrained societal, cultural, familial, and DNA programming. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I allow these restricting programs to be gently released as they become available for release. Layer by layer, to my unity bubble, with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, and by my free will, I surrender intrusive mental patterns that co-opted and negatively influenced my desires, innate genius, and moment-to-moment behaviors and emotions. I release them to my unity bubble with love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge, surrender, and release to my unity bubble with love and gratitude negative cyclical patterns that keep me from moving forward and consciously manifesting abundance in my life. With every in-breath and out-breath, I manifest more and more quickly, recognizing and accepting abundance in all its forms in my life. With gratitude and love, I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. Continue to ride the breath in and out of your body. Remember to always be aware of your words and your thoughts, which are just as powerful as your words, if not more so. Speak in the affirmative and in the present tense, as the universe hears only the positive. Avoid saying, "I don't like," as the universe hears, "I like," and as a result, what you don't like is sent to you. Avoid saying, "I want." It will keep you in a perpetual state of wanting, and therefore not receiving in the present now. Know that your positive intentions and affirmations have been heard by the universe and will manifest accordingly. Let's prepare now to return to the room. With a deep sense of gratitude, bring your attention back to your body. Feel it energize as it becomes filled with the light of your awareness. When you open your eyes, you will return feeling refreshed and invigorated, more aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self, and more positive than ever. And now, gently open your eyes. Welcome to our new Unity Consciousness Earth and the limitless possibilities it holds. Adonai.